Welcome to ChallengeForex. My name is Steve, and in today's video, we're going to look at an indicator that we built recently using Claude AI, and this was to create trading signals for our existing strategy, one that I've been testing for a little while. And the idea is for Claude to generate the indicator that puts the buy and sell signals on the chart for us. And if we wanted to, we can actually create alerts to have pop-ups come up as well on this one to tell us when to buy or when to sell. This is the video that I created recently. So if you haven't watched this one yet, go back and watch this one now. This will actually explain to you how the indicator was created. And in today's video, we're going to use Claude to actually make a modification. I'm adding an ADX filter. This was actually mentioned by Claude or suggested by Claude when we actually made the original indicator. Claude suggested that we add the ADX filter to try and filter out some of the false signals that we would get from sideways markets or consolidating markets. So I've actually asked Claude to go ahead and generate the actual update for me. And here's the outcome here. And I think I've got my prompt here. And let's see. Yeah, all I asked Claude to do was add the ATX filter that you mentioned before with an option to enable or disable. And then Claude has gone through and added this feature in. Here's the updated code. So we just copy that and go to our code here. We want to highlight everything and paste the updated version. You can see here now this is version 0.102 or 1.02. Hit compile and we don't have any errors. Now go back to the chart. Let's have a look at the actual settings, make sure it's actually been enabled. Okay, with the filter enabled, it is actually trending out, filtering out some of the trades. So I think this would have been a trade right here, which has been filtered out. And these couple here are still in, they would have been winners. These couple here would have been losers, but they haven't been filtered out by the ADX. These trades are still included. This one would have been a losing trade that didn't get filtered out. The signal actually looks good. It's just that we had a news candle a couple of hours later, which ruined everything on that one. And this looks successful. Yeah, so it's a 5R trade. That would have been if you had got out at the top of that one. So yeah, I think everything looks okay on that one. Okay, that's the only change I've made for this particular indicator at this stage, or signal indicator at this stage. And maybe you can suggest something else below. Also, leave a comment below. Let me know where you are watching this from, which city and country you are from. Just curious to find out where you guys are. Okay, hit the like and subscribe and watch out for my next update.